My pond. I have a fish pond out back that harbors little things. Some swim, crawl, jump, and some have wings. What I like best of all is dressed in white and green. He is very shy, you see, and dislikes being seen. He plays among the lily pads and splashes all about. He makes the little children giggle, laugh, and shout. I have given him a name, you can bet on that. It isn't Mary, Tom, or Mike, but Pat. He's green on top, with big green eyes, white on the bottom, and he catches flies. Have you guessed what he is? Well, for heaven's sake, it's Froggies! Today is lesson 39 in phonics. Okay, let's review some of our letter sounds. I'm going to review some that we didn't do last time. Okay. M says as in maple. M says H says as in hedgehog. H says N says as in nest. N says C says k as in cricket. C says k, k, k. Okay, do you remember this one? This is the letter G. What sound does G make? G says g as in grizzly. G says g, g, g. Okay, we're going to read our G blend letter. We will read it slowly. G, a, ga. G, e, ge. G, I, ge. G, a, ga. G, a, ga. Okay, now, where's my letter board? We are going to make some blends. Okay, first of all, I want to show you my letter G tile. See my letter G tile? Doesn't that look kind of funny? It does not look exactly like this small G. This is how you should write the letter G. But sometimes when you see the letter G in a book, it will look a little bit differently. It will look like this. I don't know why they try to confuse you. I don't know. I don't make the rules. I'm just telling you what they are. Okay. So I have made a blend here. I put the letter G and the letter A. If we read that blend, we say g, a, ga. Now what letter should I put with that blend to make the word gas? Ga, gas. What sound do you hear at the end of the word gas? Let's try this. Gas, gas. Right. Okay, let's remove these. We have another blend. G, e, ge, ge. That's our blend, ge. If I want to make the word get, get, which consonant do I need to put at the end of ge? Well, I'll show you. Get, get. We put a T at the end because T makes the sound T. Get, get. There we go. Okay, let's make a blend. Can you see this one? What does that say? G, G. Now, if I want to make the word gum, like chewing gum, which consonant do I need to put at the end? G, gum. Maybe you've guessed it already. I'm going to put the letter M. Now it says gum, gum, G, gum. Okay, one last blend. Oy. G, ah, ga. Now I want to make the word got. Which consonant do I put at the end of ga to make the word got? The letter T, because T says T. Got, got. Look at the picture. Match each picture to the letter you hear at the beginning of its name. So if you look at the monkey, you have to think about which letter you hear at the beginning of the word monkey. The next one is a tiger, a bear, a lion, a hippo, and a seal. Down at the bottom it says circle the blend your teacher says. So in the first one, the first section, circle the blend ma. Ma. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. The next two, circle the blend he. He. Next, circle the blend ka. Ka. And last, circle the blend ge. Ge. Numbers 39. Let's count some pennies again. Now, how much is 1 penny? How many cents is 1 penny? 1 penny equals 1 cent. So when we want to know how many cents we have, we count by ones. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I have 6 pennies, that means I have 6 cents. Okay, let's look at our flashcards. Now we've been doing quizzes to see which number it is. This time I have both ones and teens families. So you tell me the number. 9, 12, 10, 7, 14, 17, 8,
16. 6. This is just 6, not 16, because it doesn't have a 1. 11. 13. 15. Now today we're going to learn a new flashcard. Look at all those spiders. Ugh. They're actually very pretty, but I wouldn't want to see them all at once. Let's count all the spiders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 spiders because this is the number 8. We have an 8 and a 1 that tells that it's in the teen family. This is the number 18. Let's count our chestnuts. Now, there are more than 18 chestnuts on this plate. I know that because I just counted them. But we're going to try to count and set aside 18 chestnuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here we have 18 chestnuts. We have 3 left over. I have heard that you can make laundry soap out of chestnuts. That would be interesting, but then I wouldn't have anything to count in numbers time. 18 chestnuts.
Number 1, count the animals and circle the number that tells how many animals. At the bottom, trace and write the number 7.
Phonics review today is going to be very short. We're just going to say some letter sentences together. Are you ready? B says B as in badger. B says B, B, B. D says D as in deer. D says D, D, D. G says G as in grizzly. G says G, G, G. S says S as in squirrel. S says S, S, S. T says T as in tree stump. T says T, T, T. C says K as in cricket. C says K, K, K. That's all for today.
1 Timothy 6, 6 and 7. But godliness with contentment is great gain. For we brought nothing into this world, and it is certain we can carry nothing out. 1 Timothy 6, 6 and 7.